There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Chrysler 300S in gloss black. With adaptive bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, remote start system, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, heated second row seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6929.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.